In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send voice messages on Discord for PC. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. To do this, go to your taskbar, right-click on the Discord icon and select Quit Discord. Afterward, open your internet browser and go to the website vencord.com, free extension that enables voice messaging on Discord. Once you're over here, click on the option Download Vencord. After it has been downloaded, install it. It will just take few seconds. After the installation is finished, reopen Discord. Now click on the option User Settings. Here you will find this section of Vencords. Under that, you're going to find the option of plugins. Click on that. Now search for voice. After you see the plugin voice messages, enable for it. Now go to the conversation or server where you want to send a voice message. Click on the plus option, select the option Send Voice Message, click on Start Recording, speak whatever you want to send and click on Done. So this is how you can easily send voice messages on Discord for PC. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.